How to create a hyperlink in Excel. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up on PC in order to do so. So let's get started. For that we can open up Excel and start up by selecting the cell where we want the link. For example, this one right here. After that, we can go to the insert option in the top and select it. And we can look out for the option called link or hyperlink, this option right here, and click on it. And here a dialog box appears. Now here in this dialog box, we have different options available, such as text to display. Here we need to type in what people will be seeing. So go ahead and type it in. And after that, we can select up address. Here address section, we can paste in the address of the URL that we would like to create up a hyperlink. After that, you just need to click on OK. And when you do, a hyperlink has been created. Now your cell is clickable. So when you head over and click on it, it will open it up. And this is one of the methods. Apart from that, we can use hyperlink formula. Another one is, for that we need to type in is equal to and type hyperlink. Once we've done that, we can just go over and inside double quote, we can type in, paste in the link, for example, something.com, and then you just need to click on click here, and when you click on it, it will show click here, and clicking it will open up the link. And apart from that, what we can do is we can link to a file, PDF or Word. For that, we can select up a cell, press Ctrl+K. After that, you can click on existing file or web page, and you can select up the file that you would like to hyperlink. And I'll click on OK. If you want to browse, you can browse and select your file. And once you do so, you will be opening up the hyperlink that you can click on to open it up. After that, click on yes if you want to continue. And that way, your hyperlink has been created. So that's it, everybody. These are the few ways you can follow up that should allow you to create hyperlink in Excel. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.